Hello trader, XAUUSD. After yesterday's massive bounce back to the upside, we can see the market again pushing down to this important daily support level. The market is approaching this daily 20 EMA and also 10 EMA to this support. Is the market having a potential bounce from this level? Or we could see further downside here, as after this daily massive move, the market now in a pullback. So where can we find next trading opportunity? As we have seen early today during our initial live session, we had a sell trade which has successfully closed and expecting now further opportunity. Before we look at the lower time frame for potential entry, looking at the monthly chart to see overall picture in this market. Now, from the monthly, we can see that gold here has created quite a few long week candles back to back 3 to 4 months. And this month, we can see that after this red doji, the market initially bounced back to the upside with a stronger momentum. And this is the monthly level where the market from this support has got that bounce, and we may see that now potentially a pullback. As we can see from the monthly, the price retraced almost more than 50% of this previous monthly long week. And what I think the price now potentially come back here for another retest. If we look at the weekly chart here, that we can see a previous weekly candle is a pin bar. Now this is a bullish pin bar from the weekly that we have seen. Also there was a weekly another bullish pin bar here, and from this support that we can see on gold has got a very sharp rejection back to the upside to the major direction of the trend. Now as a result, this week we can see the market once open, it tested this support level on the weekly and bounced back to the upside, created a rejection to the upside, followed by currently the market is again in another pullback, and with that pullback expecting this market, what I think, to potentially retest again this weekly low before it potentially move back or even breaking low further to this weekly 10 EMA before it continue to rise again to the major direction of the trend. Looking at the daily chart, here is we can see the market from the daily back to back 4 days. We have seen there was a significant bullish move back to the upside here, and with this bullish move, the price today, once the market open after initial pullback, it's now coming again back below here. Here is the daily low, the previous daily low, and also along with the daily 10 EMA. The market is approaching that support as there is an imbalance. The market currently feeling that zone, and what I think that potentially the price could continue to drop to this around 100 p below before it potentially bounce back to the upside here. Now looking at the 1 hour here, we can see that there is a this is a very important structure formation on the 1 hour that we can see. This bull flag has broken completely back below with 10 and 20 ma crossover. The market is trending down, and I think this is a very important support that we have seen from the 1 hour. In the past, the price has bounced to the upside with a one single impulse. And if we look at the 4 hour here, also we can see that from this resistance line, the price is dropping back to this daily 10 and 20 EMA. This 4 hour candle also closing in a couple of minutes with a stronger liquidity grab, which is giving a probability for the market to potentially retest again this important support level. And that's where we could find significant trading opportunity. In this lower time frame, I will be waiting for a potential retest of this support, and then to give us potential another trading opportunity for this move back to the upside with a high probability trade setup. Traders, if you enjoy this education and analysis, make sure you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Thank you, and I'll see you soon in my next analysis.